Hi, I'm Brian Charles Keith, and I'm the production manager for Tears of Joy Theater's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Because we have so many different aspects of the show that we're building, we rely on people who have skills in certain areas. Costumers working on the costumes, putting together clothes, the sewing, how something is going to drape or fall over the puppet. We have a sculptor who can translate those two-dimensional images into a three-dimensional shape. When it comes to the molding process, what we do is we take the shapes that were sculpted in clay and we put them into a tub that we fill with plaster, and we make with that plaster a mold that we can pour another medium into. In this case, we are using neoprene to make the heads of the puppets. We have made 2 sets of Nemo and Aronnax puppets. One of them has their regular clothes that they wear on a normal day, and the second set of puppets are puppets that are outfitted in deep sea diving gear. We have a wooden armature to make the shoulders, to make the hips, and for arms and legs. The Nautilus is going to be slightly over 11 feet long. The central piece of the Nautilus, the body of the submarine, actually rotates down forward, and once it is down, we have a piece of scenery that unfolds and reveals the interior of the ship. There are several aquatic animals that we created puppets for. The Hammerhead and the Dolphins are created by carving their heads out of insulation foam. And on top of those carved heads, we use paper mache. The clam was a little bit different. Although we did use paper mache to give it its form, we actually started with chicken wire and sculpted that into the shape. The jellyfish really was exciting because I'm using a new material that's new to me. It's a 2-part silicone. We're planning to put either some light or something on the inside to create this really weird underwater puppet. It's unlike any puppet I have ever made before. Now, the Squid is one of the largest puppets we're making for this production. It is made out of closed-cell foam, and it is worn by the puppeteer more like a costume than a puppet. The idea for the arms of the Squid was created by one of our puppet builders, Kat Reed, who came up with an idea of using some old pool noodles that we just cut a few slits in and then put big flippers on the end and then cover in fabric, and then voila, you have these amazing arms of the Squid. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea is one of my favorite stories. It's always had a very special place in my heart. This is unlike any show we have ever built before, and it's just exciting to be able to bring this for other people to see.